everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Elementary Classical Mechanics, where we will embark our journey from basic to advanced physics. In the last lecture, we have discussed about average speed and velocity. In the next lecture, I will be taking velocity and acceleration terms. But before going further to these lectures, we must first know what is derivative and integration, which are part of the calculus. So I'll be taking the calculus series in which I will explain the overall theory of the derivative, which are super important in mechanics part. Then the formulas of derivatives, in which I will explain how to use the derivative formula and also solve some examples. Then in lecture 3 of third part, I will take the theory part of the integration, which will be overall not at most like any typical mathematics lecture, but a smaller portion just to understand enough to solve problems in mechanics. Then in the part 4 of the lecture number 3 series will be formulas and examples of integration. If you are familiar with all those concepts and formulas mentioned earlier, you can just watch for revision, just to brush up your memory. And I mentioned some new ideas for explanation too, so it will be a good thing then. Please remember to subscribe the channel. Your gracious subscribe will help me to create more quality lecture series. Phi Shastra will have playlist of classical mechanics, and for continuing the calculus lecture, click on the floating card for lecture 3 on overview of calculus. Thanks. Till then, stay tuned.